Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be walking the DJI Spark. Actually, I had done a similar video like this in the past, but it did not include the footage from the drone. So this time around, I made sure I had my SD card in the drone before coming out here today. And we're gonna walk. It's just by the lake shore. It is gonna be a short walk, but a very exciting one. So let's get a quick view of the surrounding where I'm starting at. Okay, it is an interesting thing to do, just walking your your drone. I have actually done this quite a few times in different locations, but this time around I decided to, share it with you guys. So um, let's get down there and see. Let's get a quick look at this little barn right here. Here it used to be a store, but I'm not too sure about it. But it's just located by the lake, so probably it was a bait shop once, a while ago. Sorry, but I don't know what it's used for right now. It actually looks deserted. So let's keep going. Quite a beautiful view you got from this angle, and we will be going this way. It is a little bit tricky flying past all these leaves and branches because the the Spark, for those who have DJI Spark, they know it also, especially when you're flying the normal mode, it will always detect objects and kind of stop. Oh, look what we got here. Some people decided to leave us a good, nice pile of trash. Oh well, good for them. And let's keep going. It is a relaxing sight, very quiet, calm. After a good day at work, you probably would need some relaxation. It's a place where I always love to come around in the evenings and just wind out, just relax. I have spotted some snakes and water moccasins out here in the past. Maybe it will be a good thing if we don't find any, but if we meet any, I'll be glad to, have a video of them. This is a tricky spot here with all these leaves. I'm just getting signals of, objects ahead, but we're gonna try to maneuver through them. Yeah, nice and easy. Okay, let's go up this way. It's a lot of objects on on our way, so the Spark is just signaling, just beeping. But what a nice view it is. What a very calm location it is. All right, we're out of the woods. Oh yeah, just met a couple people there. They were very interested in the drone hobby, and the gentleman that you saw out there, we've decided to meet and fly some other time. And probably I'm gonna get him hooked up to the hobby too. Yeah. So let's go down this way and take a quick flight over the water, and yeah, see what see what we get. It's pretty calm day. It is actually about to rain. I think the weather has not been very cooperating this evening, but hopefully it gives us some time to finish this expedition. Okay. Yeah, it has been a fun one, guys. Oh, yeah. So please tell me what you think about the little expedition in the comment section below. And for those who have not yet subscribed and love to see drone footage or some of my videos that I do about vehicles, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell beside the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.